Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can get these cargo pants from the latest Dress to Impress Takeover update. You'll be able to find it here, like this. This is what it looks like. I know it doesn't go with my outfit, but to get it, you're just going to go to let's just teleport here, to the regular server, or like the servers where you can like vote for people. I don't know. Just like the normal game mode. And then here you'll be able to see the takeover. As you can see, I finished these, and you can get the items by just completing the first two, so the noob and the pro. So you'll need to play around from start to finish and place on the podium once. You do need to activate it, so just press play and challenge start, and then you can claim the rest. I'm just going to quit here so you can see. So you'll have to press play on both of these challenges to get the item. But if you want the badges, you do have to play everything from noob to master to extreme. So yeah, that is it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.